Welcome everyone to the brand new video of RD Graphics. In this channel, we talk about some of the simplest tips and tricks of Photoshop that everybody can do to make eye-catchy graphics. Here, I will be using Adobe Photoshop CC 2020 and MS Office 2016. The configuration of my rig is given in the description below. Check it out. Make sure that you have at least 8 GB of system RAM, 16 GB is recommended, and a decent graphics card. So, without any further ado, let's begin. If you are still not subscribed to my channel, you can go to YouTube and search for Simple Photoshop Graphics with Rhythm and hit the subscribe button along with the bell icon so that you will get the notifications of my upcoming videos at the earliest. Today, we will learn how to make selection of subjects or objects from any image. This is a very basic skill that every graphics designer must learn in order to be useful and versatile. First, right-click on the lasso tool to bring up more types of options: normal lasso tool, polygon lasso tool, and the magnetic lasso tool. Select the normal lasso tool. With this tool, we can click and drag over any area to make a selection like this. Now, select the layer and click on the Move tool in order to move the selection. Now we will use the Polygon Lasso tool to perform the same selection. Here we have to just click and hover the cursor over the desired area. Next, we have the magnetic lasso tool. This is an AI-driven feature of Photoshop which makes automatic selection based on the different of colors and shades of any area. You just have to click once and then just hover over the desired part and then join the finished point with the starting point. Now, moving on to the higher resolution image, I will again show you the use of magnetic and polygon lasso tool. After making the desired selection, you can copy-paste the selection in any new layer or document as shown. Now, as you are seeing, I haven't selected the whole of Mercedes, but now I want to select as a whole. For this, I can again use the Polygon Lasso tool, but now in the Add to Selection mode present in the above toolbar. Now that the whole car is selected, we can drag and drop selected car in any new document or layer. Now to make the subject selection a bit easier, we have the subject selection tool. Photoshop will automatically create or find the main subject in the whole image after clicking on the select subject option here. Here you can see it has made a clear selection of the sports bike in just a second. It is very helpful to save the time for manual selection. We can also create any particular rectangular shape and help Photoshop to find any subject within that rectangle area rather than selecting the whole image. Now we have the quick selection tool. This also helps us to select any part or area having the same color or shade different from other parts. On the top part, you can even remove or subtract any part from within the selection. Now coming to the last option of today, we have the Magic Wand tool. Again, with just one click, you can select the areas or parts having similar colors or shades. You can adjust the tolerance level according to the required precision. So with all these tools, you can make desired selections out of any image and work with those areas only. Thank you. That's all for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Make sure to subscribe to my channel for more such videos. You can also follow me on Instagram and Facebook. The links are given in the description below. Till then, goodbye and take care.